Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a new collection from MJ Lacquer, and this one is called a Time to Heal collection. It is a 6-piece collection, and the launch date will be Friday, January 22nd. All polishes are $11 each. There is a 2-day sale from January 2nd and the 23rd. There's a 15% off cut, and there's no code needed, so we're going to hop on into these. I'm going to swatch them on the rings today because you know, my nails are all different lengths, so I just wanted to show all the collection and show you all of the finishes and colors before the sale happens. So stay tuned to my channel to see all of these polishes on my nails. I plan on not wearing anything else until I've done manicures with all of these. So get on with it. This one's called The Time to Build. It has a color shifting green blue aqua base filled with orange, pink, gold, and green color shifting flakies. Just look at that, so pretty. It's got crystal chameleon flakies, bronze peach micro glitters, and aurora shimmers in there. So that is a time to build, a time to dance. It has a black to red color shifting base with red to bronze UCC flakies, red to gold chameleon micro glitters, aurora shimmer, and red to orange to yellow color shifting shimmers. And it's going to look different in all the different lightings. That's so cool. Next up we have A Time to Laugh. This one's so pretty. It's a pink to pale duochrome base with color shifting flakes, rose and gold metallic flakes, and holographic micro glitters. That one is stunning. Next up we have A Time to Love. And this is a light raspberry crelly with purple and pink glitters, red to orange to pink color shifting shimmers, and red to purple aurora shimmers. So pretty. Okay, then we have A Time to Mend. This is a violet jelly with red, pink, and gold chameleon micro glitters, pink, orange, green, and gold iridescent color shifting flakes, orange to red color shifting shimmer, and purple aqua and cyan aurora shimmer. Lots of goodies in this collection, so much. And then the last one from the collection is called A Time to Heal. I had to make a label, mine came off in shipping. So A Time to Heal is a salute to all non-seasonal polish enthusiasts. Sounds like some of us. And then a pastel pink to purple color shifting base with copper, gold, and pink UCC flakies, blue to purple to red color shifting shimmer, red to purple aurora shimmer, and a sprinkle of purple holographic micro glitters. And then I have an addition to the thermal collection. This is Please Mr. Postman, and I love that she put thermal on the sticker so you would know. So this is inspired by the Marvelettes' 1961 hit single. It is a blue in its cold state to clear in its warm state, thermal with violet, red, and orange crystal chameleon flakies, and a purple to copper green aurora shimmer. So, like I said, I'm going to swatch these all on here, and we're just going to jump right on into it. A Time to Build. Now, this one starts off a little sheer, but don't worry, don't fret, because I got this one looking pretty good in 2 coats. So just wait for that second coat. This is A Time to Dance. This one would be excellent for fall. It's got all those beautiful fall colors in it. And then this one is going to be one of the first ones I actually wear on my nails, so stay tuned for that. A Time to Laugh. A Time to Love. Now you guys know I love these pinky purple polishes. A Time to Mend. Stunning. Such a pretty shade. And all those glitters. Love it. This blue, A Time to Heal, which is the namesake of the collection. And this is like a purpley blue that flashes pink. This one also is going on my nails pronto. And then this is the bonus for the thermal collection. Please, Mr. Postman. Love thermal polishes. You guys know I love them so much. All right. And we're going to go back in for our second coats of everything. I'm just going to let you watch and look and see. I will tell you that every polish had an amazing formula. A Time to Build. The opacity is really great on all of them. I use 2 coats on everything. My swatch pictures do have some top coat on them, but they're just so pretty. A Time to Dance. And I'm telling y'all, this one right here on my nails, if you could see it out in the sun, it's a sock knocker offer. I'm telling you. A Time to Laugh. And here we go. Look at this one's so pretty. I'm really impressed with the whole collection. Like I said, the formulas are amazing, and to me that's key. That is key. Look at that. A Time to Love. And I like that she mixes it up. You know, some of them have glitters, some of them have hollows, some of them have flakies. Got a little bit of everything going on. A Time to Mend. And like I said, I will have a link to her storefront down below if you'd like to go check these out, especially in the next couple of days, so that you can get in on that 15% off. That makes them even more reasonable. Oh, I love this one. That camera's not doing it justice at all. A Time to Heal. And then, Please, Mr. Postman. Now this one, you guys, y'all know I'm stuck on the thermals. And going from this shade to clear is really cool. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed my swatches. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know which one's your favorite. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.